Good morning from an at-home day. You can see I'm in the office. Today we are showing what we did on our room post Christmas and New Year's vacation time and just kind of freshening up the space.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So you saw the first set of sheets that we put on the bed after we freshened it up. We did all the laundry. We did wash everything. But usually what Matt and I prefer, especially with travel, is for he and I to have 2 sets. I prefer for everybody to have 2 sets, but that just hasn't worked out yet. But which with the kids having twin size beds, it's easier because we can do 2 sets of theirs at one time in the washer. But for us personally, we prefer 2 sets. Well, one of them we'd had for a couple of years, and I was battling some restless leg syndrome over Thanksgiving, and I ended up accidentally tearing through one of our sets of sheets one night. Which that's the other reason why I'm doing the 28-day walking challenge and all that right now. And it's been improving, but we ended up needing to replace them. And so we went and bought another set, and that's why you're kind of seeing both of those on there. But let's finish up the room real quick, and then you can see the final result.